Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are still going to talk about Ari Chain new task, how to add Ari app on Discord. You need to do this so that you will not be disqualified. You will still have little time to complete this before 48 hours according to them. I made a previous video yesterday on how to join their Discord. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Ari app on your Discord. So to do that, we are going to go to the Discord. I hope everybody has the Discord account. Where is my Discord now? This is my Discord account. So if you're already following Ari Chain on Discord, you're going to see the logo here. If you're not seeing the logo, that means you are not following this. So what we are going to do is just like I said yesterday, is just to click on this plus sign here. Click on this plus sign. You now click on join server. Then you can as well type just Ari Chain. It will show for you. Or you click on the link, Ari link server on my video description. It will still take you here. Now you click on join. Now you see you are already a member of Ari Chain. If you are not a member of Ari Chain, you will now see accept invitation, which you will just accept. Very easy. So this is what you need to do. So once you have joined their server, the next step now is to add Ari Chain app on this Discord. So you're going to tap on this Ari Chain, you're going to tap on this Ari Chain here, the logo. Tap on the logo. So once you tap on the logo, you are going to locate this place that says Ari Chat. You're going to locate this Ari Chat. Tap on the Ari Chat. So now that you're on the Ari Chat, the next thing to do is to click on this Ari Chat here you are seeing. You tap on it. Okay, allow it to load. Once you tap on it, you are going to see Ari Chain Team 3 Ari Chain app. You are going to click on that Ari Chain app. So tap on this Ari Chain app. Now you are going to see this that said add app. You can see this. You're already on the Ari Chain app right now. You can see add app. So you tap on add app. Wait for it. You are now going to see another one that says add to my apps. You are going to add Ari Chain to your apps here on Discord, or you add to their server. We have already done this one. Add Ari Chain to server. We have done that one. So what we are going to do is to add Ari Chain apps on my apps. You need to add Ari Chain on my app. So you tap on it. Now you can see this. Want to access your Discord account? This will allow the developer of Ari Chain to do this and that. I just read, create, send and direct message and all that. So after reading it, you have to click on authorize. You're going to click on authorize here. Give it time. Once you have authorized it, you are now going to see success. Ari Chain has been authorized and added to your apps. Can you see? It has now been authorized and added to your app. So you need to do what? Click on open app. So click on this open app. So that is it. You can see that now we have open Ari Chain. We can easily send, receive and tweet easily on Ari Chain. So go and do this right away so that you will not be disqualified. You have little time to add Ari app on your Discord. First is to join their server. Use the Ari Chain Discord server and join their server. Then the second one is to add Ari Chain on your app here on Discord. So go and do this immediately. You still have little time to complete this. Got value from this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp group or Telegram channel for high value updates. So that is the latest thing I have to tell you guys. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video.